Hey YouTube, Bill Tech Reviews back with a quick review of this Ragzan gaming mousepad. Just got this in the other day. I was looking for something with a little bit of RGB lighting to go with my mouse and keyboard, and this was a good price. It was, I believe, $17.99 at the time. So let's take a look, see what we got. All right, out of the box, we've got our gaming mat. Let's roll this out here. It's actually a little bit wider than the visible area on my desk here, but we'll show you the whole thing. Right on the end here, we've got a USB port with a power button and a button to change the light settings. There's also a small instruction manual, nothing that you really need to know in there, and a actually pretty nice braided USB to micro USB cable. Let's get this plugged in here. Alright, so it looks like just starting off, it's got a regular... before it looked like it was like snapping through the colors, now it looks like it's breathing. Maybe it just runs through the settings itself when you first power it on. And let's go through the settings. Alright, so this is showing a different color on the top and bottom, it looks like. Yeah, it's got like yellow up there, pink here, and then it flashes, goes to another set of two colors. This just kind of flashes through the colors. And this one flashes a little bit slower. Then we've got a breathe effect with each individual color. A breathe effect that looks like it goes from one color on the one side all the way around to a different color on the other side. And then you've got your solid colors. As far as the mat itself goes, it feels great. Nice and slippy, easy to use. The bottom of it's got a real good grip on it. Definitely won't be sliding off of your desk. And the USB cable is actually pretty long. It looks like a 6-foot cable, and as I did mention, it is braided, so that's nice. All in all, honestly, it's awesome. Couldn't expect any better. If you liked the review, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be doing other reviews. I've got quite a few things right now to go through. I will have another review up in the next day or two. And check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.